How to talk about shopping. Listen and repeat. Please listen and repeat. Each sentence will be read twice. Let's go. I need to buy some groceries. I need to buy some groceries. Where is the nearest supermarket? Where is the nearest supermarket? Can you get some eggs, please? Can you get some eggs, please? I buy groceries twice a week. I buy groceries twice a week. We get fresh vegetables and fruit from the market. We get fresh vegetables and fruit from the market. We put the groceries in the shopping cart. We put the groceries in the shopping cart. I make a shopping list. I make a shopping list. I get cheese and yogurt from the dairy section. I get cheese and yogurt from the dairy section. There is a sale going on. There is a sale going on. These shoes are on sale. These shoes are on sale. I like to window shop. I like to window shop. It's too expensive for me. It's too expensive for me. The price is reasonable. The price is reasonable. I'm looking for a pink sweater. I'm looking for a pink sweater. Do you have it in red? Do you have it in red? The jacket is too big. The jacket is too big. This dress is too small for me. This dress is too small for me. Do you have a bigger size? Do you have a bigger size? Can I try them on? Can I try them on? I need a new pair of socks. I need a new pair of socks. I'm looking for a gift for my friend. I'm looking for a gift for my friend. I often go to the department store. I often go to the department store. There is a convenience store just round the corner. There is a convenience store just round the corner. I like to shop online. I like to shop online. I usually pay with a credit card. I usually pay with a credit card. I'm afraid we only accept cash. I'm afraid we only accept cash. Excuse me, can I return this? Excuse me, can I return this? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Shop till you drop. Shop till you drop.